Hey everyone! Today we're diving into how to connect Google Analytics 4 to ConvertKit. If you're new to ConvertKit, don't miss out on the free trial link in the description below. For those who are already set up, just log in and follow along. First up, you'll need to set up a Zapier account to connect ConvertKit with Google Analytics 4. Head over to the Zapier dashboard, click on Create, and then select Zaps. If you need any assistance, the Copilot is there to guide you. Select both ConvertKit and Google Analytics 4 from the list of options and enter the required details on the right side of the screen. To connect your ConvertKit account, click Sign In and input the API key for ConvertKit. Go to ConvertKit, navigate to Developer Settings, and copy the secret key. Once you paste it, click Yes, connect to ConvertKit, and you're all set. Repeat this process to log into your Google Analytics 4 account. You can log in with your Google account, and your account will be linked. After that, configure your settings and click Publish, and you're all set. I hope this video makes the process clear and easy for you. I'm offering a free email list building course in the description below, where you can learn how my team and I generate $3,493 in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so don't miss your chance to check it out. Thanks for watching.